Hi, it's Ignacy. So at Vento, we help people to build and connect intelligent objects using AI. Traditionally, those items are built with using Raspberry Pis, Arduinos, actuators, sensors, cameras, smartphones, industrial connectors, and computing on the edge. And this is really hard. As you know, hardware, it's hard, but we want to bring like the vibe coding experience to the physical world. So let's make a quick demo. The first one that we want to share, it's a demonstration that one of users has done from the community. So it's like taking one of those RC cars, and let's try to automate it. So this is the Vento interface, and let's ask the chat to create a controlling system for that device. So now the system is thinking, and now we have response. So it's saying, okay, we've prepared a firmware definition, it looks good, so let's go to definitions to see what it has created. Definitions, okay, let's go. So here we've seen that we have everything connected. It looks pretty good. So let's upload that firmware. Here, upload. Okay, select the port, install firmware tag, accept. So now it's uploading the firmware directly onto the robot. So in 10 seconds it has been done. Okay, let's put it on the floor. And to control it, we will be using our iPad here that it's connected to the tank. So now we are opening the board that the AI has created. So now we can make that go front, back, turn, and we can also take by voice. So Vento, stop the car, please. Okay, it has a stop. So this is one of the first examples. So going from something that it's only electronics, we put it into life, but now we're going to create a full automated machine. In that case, we'll make a sorter from potatoes to different objects. So here we have one of those boards, like the one that we've seen on the iPad, but it's a little bit more elaborated. So now we see that the machine is stupid, it does nothing, but we can see all the sensors and actuators here. So let's make it full autonomous. So I've just pasted a prompt here. Okay, let's roll. So that prompt says that when I press the green button, we want the conveyor to start. When I press the red button, we want to stop, and the rest of the automation. So let's check if it works. Let's play, close here, put a potato, green button. So now the conveyor has to stop, turn on the light, and now it's analyzing if it's a potato or not. We've seen that the door has changed, and we can do the same with the duck. Okay, now it's checking if the duck is a potato, it says that everything, and this is done by another prompt that it's just here. So here we can see that if you see a potato, blah, 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 if it's not a potato, turn close. So this is how it works. So this is the kind of experience that we have on vibe coding, and now we have it on vibe making.